Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hi Mrs. Rina, we hope you are always happy. My name is Muhammad Ridho.
My name is Pendi Triwidodo.
My name is Muhammad Iqbal Farhanani.
My name is Feni Fadila.
My name is Debila Damayanti.
This is our in-class 2 assignment. Now, we will present the result of our discussion and here we go. TV show invite two official and one community person to be interviewed about the flood. Good afternoon, sir. I'm Rido from Kabar Mingguan, Saryong, Jogja. Can I ask for a moment for an interview?
Afternoon, sir. Of course, please.
Thank you, sir. How do you feel about the recent flood that are happening again?
Of course, we are very connected, sir. Even though we have done many ways to prevent flooding from happening again.
What kind of why, sir, has the district government tried to overcome this flood problem?
A lot, sir. We have upload to the resident not to litter, especially around the revision in this area, because that is one of the main cause of seasonal flooding in this area. We are also trying to dig up the revision around here and remove all garbage the that is blocking the flow of water. But the main factor is because people throw in it in the river.
Okay, sir. Then what is your next step to solve the problem of residents who often throw garbage in this river, sir?
It's shame we will give strict tips to residents by giving granted sanction of they are clothes littering around this place again.
What kind of sanction, sir, for example?
For example, with a fine of 5,000 rupiah, given if cloud littering again, resident must really keep the environment clean together because it is healthy for of use. We will also provide strict measures for residents who do not comply with our rules. In addition, we will make a program so that each village receives mutual comparison activities to clean the environment again with creating sanction if you do not participate in these activities.
Okay, sir. Hopefully, the program will be implemented and this flood problem will be resolved soon. Thank you for your time, sir.
I mean, you are welcome.
Journalists switch to interviewing the public.
Good afternoon, Mom.
Good afternoon too.
How is the process of flooding, Mom?
The process of flooding needs to be seen from the three characteristics that make up the flood, namely the character of the rain, the character of the rain catchment area, and the character of the flow carrying water flow to the estuary. First, the character of the rain does not just look at the amount of rain. Second, the character of the catchment area is influenced by land cover. Third, the character of the flow carrier channel consisting of a microsystem in the form of a rainwater drainage network is thought to be less than ideal.
What do you think about the recent flood?
Very concrete, especially if many people are affected by the flood.
Who do you think should be responsible for this flood?
I think the community and the government are actually responsible because this is a natural disaster which must be taken care of together.
For now, what is the government action on this incident responsible enough?
For now, the government has not provided the best solution to prevent the continued occurrences of flood, but assistance to victims has been distributed properly.
How did the disaster affect the community?
Currently, the condition of all infrastructure in system and network has not been fully resolved with the existing problem. We have seen that fact that the construction of river and channel drains is currently still neglected due to a lack of awareness from the public about the importance of the facilities and infrastructure that have been planned.
Last question, does this incident really affect daily life?
Very influential because many agencies, office, and school are temporarily closed.
Oh, thank you, Mom, for being willing to do the interview. Maybe we can finish it. Thank you very much.
You are welcome. Thank you to Mom.
Thank you for the time. I will add a little bit. Every year, floods are never absent from our region. If you look closely, flooding is caused by various environmental problems. And we take part in environmental issues, development is often designed without grounding in the nature of the universe. Water that should be a source of life has turned into a disaster. Yeah, the universe actually has the ability to maintain the balance of its ecosystem in accordance with its natural nature. However, the pressure of human exploitation in the of the earth has exceeded the carrying capacity of our universe. Just look, the natural environment is completely changed and built into housing. The number of water reservoirs that used to be large is now reduced, and some are in a diminished condition. On the other hand, public awareness of environmental conservation is also still lacking. reforestation is less encouraged, the habit of people throwing garbage in the river is still common. As a result, water from rivers carry not only water, but also garbage. As a result, all of that makes environmental and humanitarian disaster always repeat themselves. And also development from the government does not pay attention to the surrounding environment, so that the impact can cause flooding and sometimes underestimate environmental problems. Development should also have standards so that development does not have a bad impact on the surrounding community. Therefore, the cooperative relationship between all level of government and society is very important for the sake of environmental balance as well. Thank you.
Okay, maybe enough from the presentation. And the last I say and thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.